Today I am going to discuss a practical class how to calculate the LD50 of a toxicant or a poison. The term toxicant and poison both are synonymously used. Here the another term is LD50. LD50 stands for lethal dose 50. This LD50 is also called median lethal dose. So today we are going to discuss how to calculate the LD50. So before going through this calculation, first we have to know about the terminology such as toxicant or poison. Toxicant or poison means those substances that are having deleterious effect on living organism is called toxicant or poison. However, if you go through the term LD50 or median lethal dose, the word itself is explaining what is the definition of this lethal dose. So, lethal means mortality, and dose means the dose of the toxicant or poison, and 50 is the 50%. So, you have to summarize or define in this way the dose which produce 50% mortality in a population is called lethal dose or median lethal dose. And if you go through the another term ED50. So what is this ED50? ED50 is E for effective and D for the dose, and the 50 means the 50. So if we are considering the dose of any substance which produce 50% effect in 50% of the population, its effect in 50% of the population is called effective dose. So what is difference between effective dose and LD50? The difference between these two terms are that this effective dose may be the LD50. If our motto is to produce the lethality, then the same ED50 there we are going to call the LD50. Why? There the effect we want lethality. So that is why there we call it LD50. So this is the difference between lethality and the ED50 or LD50. The another term is TI, T for therapeutic, I for index. So what is therapeutic index? Therapeutic index is the ratio between the LD50 and the ED50. If a drug is having higher therapeutic index, that means that are more safer to use in a patient. The drug is having more soft safety of margin, uh, those who are having the more or higher therapeutic index, and those drugs that are having lower therapeutic index, we are going to call it they are having less safer in nature. So we are going to use very cautiously, because between the difference between the lethality and its the therapeutic, the dose difference is very meager, very less. So that is why we have to be cautious there. So this is about the terminology. And another word is the dose. Usually for a poison, for a toxicant, we are using the dose in milligram per kg body weight of the animal. This may be by any route. It may be oral, it may be the parenteral. So this is all about the terminology. Now we have to go through the procedure. Usually to calculate the lethal dose in an experimental animals, we are going to follow these protocol, and you can say these the procedure are these points. What the procedure are? At least minimal number of animal should be 10 in each group. So each group have at least minimal number of animal is 10. Second important point is that the animal should be overnight fasted. So this is very another important point. Third important point is that in each group the number of the animals should be equal. So this is another important point. So after the administration of the poison or toxicant, we are going to observe the mortality of the animal, and dose, as I mentioned, dose of a poison or toxicant should be in usually in milligram per kg weight of the animal. While administering the poison and toxicant, it must be considered that the volume should be same. This is very important. Volume should be same. Another important point under this procedure are we have to calculate first lethal dose, least tolerated dose, least tolerated dose, and another tolerated dose is most tolerated dose. So what is difference between most tolerated dose and least tolerated dose? So least tolerated dose are the dose of a poison or a toxicant in which the mortality is 100% in a population or in a group is called least tolerated dose. However, the most tolerated dose is the dose, this is also called lethal dose 0. So lethal dose 0 is clear cut indicating that if the dose which produce no mortality is called most tolerated dose. So this is the difference between the least tolerated dose and most tolerated dose, and in between the lethality varies from 1 to 100%. So this is about the, so we are going to calculate the least tolerated dose and most tolerated dose. Another important point we are going to considering while calculating the LD50 is that in between the LD0 and LD100, I mean least tolerated dose or most tolerated dose, there must be 5 doses present. So between the LD0 and LD100, there must be 5 doses. So you be cautious about this point. 5 doses should be there. Then thereafter we have to proceed for the calculation of LD50. So now we have to go through what are the scientific methods by which we are going to calculate the lethal dose of a toxicant or a poison. So there are two methods which through which we are calculating either LD50 or ED50, and these methods are arithmetic method or arithmetical method. Another one is the graphical method. So in this graphical method we are clear cut indicating we are using here the graph. Under the arithmetic method, the two scientists, their methods are more popular, and the first one is the Carver arithmetic method of Carver's, and another is arithmetic method for Reed and Munch. So first one is arithmetic method of Carver for calculation of LD50, whereas the another one is the Reed and Munch, that is the arithmetic method of Reed and Munch for calculation of LD50. And by this way you are going to recall how you have to record car remu. So car is the Carver, that is coming under the arithmetic. Car is also, you can say, arithmetic is coming under this. So this is about the arithmetic method of calculation of LD50. Another one method is called graphical method of LD50 calculation. So in graphical method of LD50 calculation, again this subdivided into two on the basis of the appearance of the method as well as the scientist who developed this method for calculation of LD50, and that are Miller and Tender, and another one is Litchfield and Wilkinson. So this is the another method of calculation of LD50, and that is called graphical method of Miller and Tender for LD50 calculation. Another one is the graphical method of Litchfield and Wilkinson for calculation of LD50. So this is the about the method for LD50 calculation. Now we have to go through how we are going to calculate the LD50. So here we are going to discuss only one method of LD50 calculation, and that is the Carver method. So we are going to call it arithmetic method of Carver for the calculation of LD50. So we are going to calculate by this Carver method that introduced in 1931. What are the drawback this method have? This is very simple, but this is crude, and usually we are not going to use for the research purposes. So this is simplest one and the crude one, and usually this is for a small group of animals. Another thing that we are going to consider here are that in this we are going to consider, or we are going to calculate the interval mean of number of dead in each group of animal. So we have to go forward, then we have to understand easily. So now we have to go through the procedure of arithmetic method of Carver. So we have to go through the procedure of Carver. So in this, the first we have to take the animal in different groups. First, we have to take the animal in different group. Second, we have to pick the dosage. We have to pick the dosage. So here by tabular method we are going to explain this procedure of Carver. So first we have to see the group. We have to keep the different each in equal number of animal in each group, and the groups are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to 10, up to 10. So this is first we have to keep the animal in different group, and in each group the number of animal should be equal. So here the number of animal in each group is equal. Thereafter we are going to consider the different dosage. So here we are seeing the number of animal are same, but their dosage in different group are different. So these are the dosage of the toxicant. Third, we are going to calculate the dose difference. So we are going to calculate the dose difference between the two adjacent dose. Two adjacent dose means this dose and this dose, 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 this dose and this dose. So we are going to consider going to calculate the dose difference. So what is the dose difference? Dose difference is the difference of the dose between two adjacent dose. So here the two adjacent dose are this one and this one. So this is two, and for this one, the two adjacent dose are this one and this one. For this one, the two adjacent dose are this and this. For this one, the two adjacent dose are this and this. For this one, the two adjacent dose are this and this. For this one, the two adjacent dose are this and this. So after the consideration of dose, we are going to calculate the dose difference between two adjacent dose, and we are going to symbolically represent by A, and we assume it as A. The dose difference is A. Then thereafter we are going to see the motility by administration of this dose to each group. How much motility is there? How much death is there? So here is the death. So this is the death after the administration of 100 mg per kg of the DDT DDT, that is DDT is a organophosphorus insecticide, and at 93 mg per kg dose of this DDT the motility is 10, and the 85 is the motility is 9, at 78 the motility is 7, at 70 the motility is like, and so on. So as per the dose we are going to see the how much motility is there, and we are going to write it in a table, and we are going to take B. So this is the B is indicating death or mortality. Now we have to go through the interval mean of death. Interval mean of death. So this is the interval. So before going to go through the interval mean calculation of interval mean of death, we are going to calculate the most tolerated dose and least tolerated dose. So what is the most tolerated dose? Most tolerated dose is LD0. So LD0 is the dose at which the motility is 0. So where is the motility is 0 in this table? You have to see here is the motility 0 at this and this. So the motility is 0. So which dose we are going to consider the LD0? Either this 52 mg per kg body weight or 45 mg per kg body weight. So the dose below 52 is going to produce no motility. So therefore here the 52 mg per kg body per kg DDT is the LD0. Why? Because at this dose the motility is become 0, and from below it's the motility of course is 0, motility of course should be the 0. So this is the LD0, and again we are going to calculate the LD100. So what is LD100? Is the dose at which the 100% motility is there. That means ki the number of animal is 12, so motility should be 12. So here this one and this one is LD100, but we have to see which one is the minimum dose at which the percentage of motility is 100%. So this 93 mg per kg body per kg DDT is producing 100% motility, means 12 animal died. Here is also 12 animal died, 12 animal of mice died. That means ki above this dose, I mean 93 mg per kg, the motility is 100%. So this is the minimal dose at which the motility is 100%, above which you will always find the 100% motility. So this is the LD100. So this is the LD100 and this is the LD0. So this is LD100 is also called least tolerated dose, LD0 is called most tolerated dose. Now we have to going to calculate the interval mean of death. So what is the term? Interval mean of death. So interval mean of death means we are going to calculate the mean of two adjacent death. So here here before going to go through this point, again we are going to tell you one very important point is that, as I earlier said, the dose above a minimum lethal least tolerated dose and below most tolerated dose we are not going to consider. What it means? It means this one is the LD100. So above this dose we are not going to take in the calculation of LD50. So this one is above this dose. So above LD100, the dose above LD100, we are not going to consider for calculation of LD50. And where is the LD0? So this one is the LD0. So below this LD0, we are also not considering the data or the dose. So below this we are also not considering the dose. That means we are not going to considering the 45 mg per kg for the calculation of LD0. Say above this one and below this one we are not considering. I mean above LD100 and below 0 we are not considering the dose for the calculation of LD50. So thereafter, we are going to calculate the mean of death or interval mean of death. So, what is the meaning of mean of death? Between two adjacent groups of death. So, this is, as I earlier mentioned, we are not considering this because this is above this one, so above LD100. So we are not considering this one. So interval mean of death means ki the death, the motility of two adjacent group. So this one and this one is equal to 12 plus 9 means 21 divided by this is 2 means कि 12 interval means कि a plus b, and here we are considering the two number divided by 2. So here this plus this divided by 2. So 12 plus 9 is equal to 21 divided 2 is equal to 10.5. For this one, the mean or interval mean of death is the adjacent motility or death is this one and this one. So 9 and 7 is equal to 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. For this one, this motility and this motility we are going to add. So here the 7 plus 5 is equal to 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. For this row, we are considering the death of this one and this one. To 5 plus 3 is equal to 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. For this one, for this one, the two adjacent death group are 3 plus 2, that is 5 divided by 2 is equal to 2.5. Here for this group, adjacent motility or death groups are 2 plus 1, so 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. And here for this one, this death 1 plus this death is 0. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5. So I earlier mentioned the dose below LD0 we are also not considering. So we are not going to consider this one. So here is the interval mean of death or mean of death. So this is all about the this mean of death. And the last is the product. So what is the product? Product means the multiplication of interval mean of death and dose difference. So C into A. So what is C, A or C? C is the interval mean of death and this A is the dose difference. This multiplication is called product. So this, so C is 10 and then A is 8. So this is equal to 84. Here for this one, C is 8 and A is 7. So 8 multiply 7 is equal to 56. For this one, 6 multiply 8. This is equal to 48, sorry. And for this, C is 4 and A is 4. So this 4 4 ja 16. So for this, and likewise we have calculated for each one. So after that we are going to summate it or summation of the product. So now we are going to calculate the summation of the product. So summation of product means the summation of 84, 56, 48, 16, 12.5, 6, 2.5. So this is the product, and summation of product is equal to 225. So summation of these all came 225. So now we are going to calculate the LD50. So the formula of calculation of LD50 is equal to sum of product divided by number of animal in each group minus LD100, means ki least tolerated dose, least tolerated dose. So least tolerated dose. Now we have to calculate the LD50. So what is the formula? Formula is the sum of product. No, no, no. This should become a. So this is LD50 is equal to LD50 is equal to, this is just opposite I wrote. So sorry, you have to make it correct. The LD50 is equal to this is wrong. LD50 is equal to, so here you have to make it correct because this is the class. I am not going to take this much of time. So this LD50 is equal to LD100. This will come here minus sum of product divided by N. So here the LD100 is this one, LD100, where the mortality is 100%. So total number of animal is 12. So all the animal die here. So here the mortality is 100%. So LD100 is equal to 93. So 93 is the LD100 minus sum of product is 225. So sum of product 225 is here, divided by total number of animal in each group. So total number of animal in each group is 12. So so this become 93 minus 18.75, and this is equal to 74.25 mg per kg. So this is the LD50. So LD50 is equal to 74.25. Here you have to, again I am going to repeat this and you have to make it correct. So here the formula is wrong. How this LD50 LD100 will come earlier? So the formula is LD100 minus sum of product divided by total number of animal in each group. So here this is correct, this is correct. So this is about the, so here is the question, here is the question that then we have to solve it now. So now we have to calculate here. Actually I am not able to write it here, so you have to calculate this question and this question and this question. If you feel any problem here, then you have to ask here. At everywhere you will find the formula is wrong, so you have to make it correct and you have to calculate it. So this is all about today's